Hello friends, myself Bobby Varghese from Team Noshi. Do you have dreams? Every child is born with lots of dreams. When you take children, if you ask children about dreams, some may say they want to become doctors, they want to become engineers, they want to become pilots or teachers. That kind of dreams they have. But in the course of time, somewhere, somehow, the dreams are lost. Maybe because of the surroundings. Every child is born with dreams, but later they are converted into frogs. These words are said by Dr. Eric Berne. Dear friends, we should also have dreams. There is a famous writer, Robin Sharma. In his book, A Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, he says that every person should have a watchtower. What do you mean by watchtower? In that watchtower, you should write your dream, and every day morning you have to watch, or you have to look to that watchtower, and you have to dream, or you have to see that your dreams are getting fulfilled. Dear friends, this Discover Yourself program is also a part of fulfilling your dreams. If you want to become a good public speaker, you have to write in your watchtower, you want to become a good public speaker. So Discover Yourself is a journey towards the fulfillment of your dream. So let's enjoy your journey towards your dream to become a good public speaker. If you take public speaking, one of the most important content or most important part of a public speaking is the preparation and planning of a speech. Why there is an importance in preparing a speech or planning a speech? Definitely, if you are not prepared or if you have not planned, you may be lost in between, or you may lose your words, or you may lose your content. But if you have planned or prepared well, then that will increase your confidence also. So, regarding the preparation planning, how you have to prepare a speech? What are the major areas you have to concentrate in preparation? First one is the self-introduction. You have to make a self-introduction about yourself. Not a big self-introduction, but a short one. Giving your name or the background. So immediately after that, you can get into your topic. You can give an introduction about your topic. So after you giving an introduction, you can straight away move to the main content of the speech. Later that, you can make an audience engagement. Audience engagement is an important factor in the public speech because that assures the participation of audience. And after that audience engagement, you can think about concluding the topic. So this is a general structure of a public speech. So, dear friends, preparation and planning is an important factor in making an effective public speech. Preparation and planning determines the structure of the speech, the outlay of the speech, and the flow of the speech. So, you prepare well, plan well, make it in a structured way so that you can deliver the speech in a confident manner. All the best. Thank you. Please like the video, share the video, and you subscribe the channel of No Shame, the personal enrichment and supporting.